If you're searching for dependable, high-performance tools for your workshop or job site, DeWalt remains one of the most trusted names in the game. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 DeWalt tools that consistently outperform the competition when it comes to build quality, functionality, and reliability. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend DIY enthusiast, these tools represent the best that DeWalt has to offer this year. Let's begin with the DeWalt DCD79620VMA XXR Compact Hammer Drill, a compact yet powerful drill that packs a punch. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill delivers up to 57% more runtime than its brushed counterparts. With a maximum speed of 2,000 RPM and a peak torque of 70 Nm, it can tackle wood, metal, and even masonry thanks to its hammer functionality. What makes it stand out is its dual-speed transmission, ergonomic design, and impressive battery efficiency. It's compact enough for tight spaces and overhead work, yet powerful enough for demanding application. Whether you're installing cabinets or anchoring into concrete, the DCD796 is a versatile must-have for any toolkit. Next up is the DeWalt DCS570T27 and 1/4-inch 60-volt MAX FLEXVOLT circular saw, a tool that combines corded power with cordless freedom. Powered by DeWalt's revolutionary FLEXVOLT battery system, this saw automatically switches voltage based on the tool it's paired with, offering up to 5,800 RPM. The DCS570T2 is built for serious cutting performance, ideal for framing, deck building, and ripping sheet materials. It features an electric brake for added safety, a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, and depth of cut capabilities that rival any corded model. Contractors appreciate the runtime and power that match corded saws without needing to stay tethered to an outlet. If you work on remote sites or simply want maximum cutting freedom, this saw delivers. Third on the list is the DeWalt DWE74858 and 1/4-inch compact table saw, a favorite among woodworkers and job site pros who need portability without sacrificing performance. It features a 15-amp motor that spins at 5,800 RPM, capable of slicing through hardwoods and sheet goods with ease. The rack and pinion fence system ensures precise, smooth adjustments, while the metal roll cage base provides extra durability. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized, and the saw is compact enough to transport in a car trunk or job site trailer. It's perfect for contractors who frequently move between job sites or DIYers working in limited space. Users love its reliability, accuracy, and compact footprint, making it one of the best portable table saws in its class. Our fourth recommendation is the DeWalt DCS355D 120-volt AXXR oscillating multi-tool, a truly versatile tool for renovation and repair work. With a variable speed range of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, this brushless multi-tool can handle plunge cutting, sanding, scraping, grout removal, and more. Its quick-change accessory system allows tool-free blade swaps, saving you time between tasks. The dual-grip variable speed trigger offers precise control, making it ideal for delicate work in tight spaces. Whether you're trimming door jambs, removing old caulk, or making precision cuts in drywall, the DCS355D1 is a powerful, go-anywhere solution that adapts to nearly every job. It's a favorite among remodelers and homeowners alike. Rounding out the list is the DeWalt DCS373B 20-volt Max metal cutting circular saw, specifically designed for cutting through steel, aluminum, and other metals. With a 460 MWO motor and 3,700 RPM cutting speed, it provides clean, burr-free cuts without the need for a cord. The included carbide-tipped blade is optimized for metal cutting, and the enclosed guard helps control sparks for safer operation. The saw also includes a sightline window for better cut accuracy and a tool hook for convenient storage between uses. This model is perfect for HVAC professionals, metal fabricators, and anyone needing fast, precise metal cuts in the field. It's cordless, tough, and ready for job site abuse. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews and buying guides to help you make smart choices for your workshop and job site.